friends, today here I'm to review Philips Hairdryer 5000 series. I am really thankful to Philips to give me the opportunity. I really love the product. It's lightweight, fast motor, and it has a Thermo Shield technology where heat is very less, so there is no damage to the hair. I really loved exploring the whole product. It has two attachments, the nozzle and the diffuser, and the diffuser is quite helpful in removing the frizz and the nozzle in styling. I really loved the whole experience which I'm sharing with you all. Do give it a try. It's a nice product, very handy, and in fact it's hassle proof, so there's no much technicality in how to deal and run the product. I loved in fact the design and everything. They made it very stylish, easy, and like very effective. Thank you, Philips, for this wonderful experience. Have a good day.